I'm standing at the very spot from where KSU rally passed, and since 4 days, what is the update? We are here to provide you with the updates. So what began with 5-point charter of demands has in just 4 days turned into much larger law and order situation and interstate issue. Since 19th August, police have registered 15 FIRs and 16 people were reported injured. Nearly 31 vehicles got damaged, government vehicles were targeted, vandalized. Police action followed soon after that. KSU members were arrested on 19th and on subsequently remand for 14 days of judicial custody. By August 21, 3 of them were reportedly shifted to Garo Hills. But the fallout did not remain confined to Shillong. Following the incident involving Assam registered vehicles, commercial vehicle operators from Assam blocked movement towards Meghalaya at Khanapara and Jorabhat. Shillong Guwahati taxi services were suspended, while the Northeast Petrol Union, Mazdoor Union announced an infinite halt to loading and unloading of petrol products in Meghalaya until the peace is restored. And now, the administration has taken another major step. On August 22nd, the Reboy District Administration imposed restrictions under Section 163 of BNSS, banning road blockades, chakka jam, sit-in, and unauthorized vehicle stoppage along NH06 and other important routes. The order specifically warns the blockade targeting vehicles coming from Assam or any other part of the country. Police have directed to strictly enforce the order, including through static pickets and round-the-clock patrolling along NH06. Meanwhile, the Meghalaya High Court has taken suo motu cognizance of vehicles and sought out an action taken report. At political levels, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and Himanta Biswa Sarma has spoken about restoring peace and ensuring the safety of people traveling between the states. But 4 days on, the biggest concern is no longer just the protest itself. It is about normal life. Fuel movement affected taxis, public transports, and other businesses. And now for Meghalaya's tourism economy is also dependent on the connectivity of Assam. So, 4 days after the 5 demands that started with the agitation are now being one part of the bigger story. A story about law and order, interstate tension, connectivity, fuel supply, tourism, livelihood. The immediate priority is now clear. Restore normal movement, prevent other things, protect people, legal process, establish responsibility for the violence. Because the protest may have started with demand, but 4 days later, its consequences are felt far beyond the protest itself. This is Niharika Chaudhary for Hub News, Shillong.